Hello everybody, welcome to our complete and the ultimate C++ programming course. In this video, in this lecture, we will talk about switch statement. Now, what is switch statement? After conditional statement, else, if, we have switch statement. What is switch statement actually? A switch statement allow a variable to be tested for equality against a list of value. It means it tests the variable for equality with a list of values, and each value is called case, and the variable being switched on the checked for each case. Now what does it mean? I want to jump to Dev C++ and work on switch statement. If I have variable int x and I want to see an x, right? If I have in structure, it will be very good. Enter number. After that, enter. Now take a look. Whenever you want to use switch, you have to use switch keyword, not like this. Like this, switch keyword after the parenthesis and after the curly brackets. In this parenthesis, you use your expression, you use your condition. You can use expression, right? In switch statement, we call it expression. In this parenthesis, you use and you write your expression. My expression is x, right? Now switch x, we say that what is case, right? Now first of all, I write case number 1. After that, cout, this is 1, right? Now after that, enter. Just take a look. I say if case number 1 become 1, it will print me what? It will print me this is 1. Case number 2, if it become 2, it will print me cout what? This is 2, right? This is 2, right? After that, enter, and after that, break. Now what is break? I will tell you. Right now, this is cases. Case number 1, if it become true, I say in the definition that it allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of value, right? It tests. If it become 1, it will print this. If it become true, it will print this. Now just take a look. If I enter here 1, it will print me this is 1. If I write here 2, this is 2, right? This was all about case. Now whenever you use switch statement in C++ programming, it has in every programming, Java, C++, Python, whatever it is, it has its own rules. But in C++, we have some rules. The first rule say the expression used in switch, this expression which is used x, this expression which is used, that must have integral or enumerated type. What does it mean, integral? Integral means that I use in this program integer number, right? Constant number like 1, 2, 10,000, right? 10,000. This is integral. And one thing more, you can also use enumerated. Now what is enumerated? I will tell you. Enumerated means bool, and we store in bool true, false. Now if it become true, it will print me this is 1. If it become false, it will print me 2. Not false. If it become true, it will print me 1. If it become false, it will print me 0. Why? Because in C++ programming, true itself means, in this language, means 1, and false means 0. I told you right that. Now just take a look. If I enter 1, this is 1, because it becomes true. In the first case is true. True, it means 1. Take a look here. I don't mention here 1. I don't mention somewhere. I don't mention, but I write here true, and true means 1 in programming. right, in C++ programming. And I don't mention 0 here. I don't mention, but why it print me this is 0? Because this false in program means 0. This was all about expression integral or enumerate. I hope you learn, right? Second condition, second rules. You can have any number of case statements within a switch. Each case is followed by the value to be compared to end a colon. Okay. It says that every case must at the end have colon, not semicolon, colon that I use, right? This is one. In second, I want to change this one to int because I use int. If it become 1, if it become 0, or we can say 2, and I wanna this is also 2. Just now take a look. Rule number 2 says that you can also use many case, like for example, how, like I say case number 2, if it become true, and case number 3, this is okay. If it becomes 5, and case if it become 5, this is how, what, this is more okay. I want to change this one to 4. Now take a look here. What is this? The second rule said that you can also use any number of case. For example, there I have 3 number of case, and there I have 2 number of case. You can use more and more. If I run this, now take a look. If I insert 1, just 1, it will give me it's okay. If I run again, and now 2, it will give me this is okay. And also if I enter 3, it will give me this is okay. And here we have 3 cases. I mean 3 cases. If it is 1, it will print this one. If it become 2, it will print. If it become 3, it will print. We have 3 case, right? And also this one we have also 2 case. For example, if I write 4, this is more okay. But if I write 5, it will also print me this is more okay. This was the rules that you can also use. How? You can also use more cases. The third condition says the constant expression for a case must be same data type as the variable in the switch. What does it mean? It means you use here int. Now the case will be the case, I mean this one in the case number 1, case number 2, I want to use just one case. Now these case must be what? These case must be the same data type. If you use here int, it will be int. If you use here bool, it will be bool, right? It was simple. In the second, third, okay, fourth one is also on break. It is also on break and break. 3 rules we have break, but I want to explain that things in real life example. Just take a look. If I have 2, this will tell me this is 1, this is 2. If I have another case as well, case and 3, it will print me cout this, and it says 3 after the endl on break. Now what is break? If I run the program and I enter 1, this is 1. But if I don't have break here, don't have break here, don't have break here, now just take a look. If I enter 1, what will be the output? Wow, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now this is the problem, right? Whenever you don't use break, it will print you the first one, after that second, third, how much cases you have. But if I have break here, also I want to comment on. Now just take a look. If I enter 1, it will print me this is 1, right? If I enter 2, it will print me this is 2. But if I don't have this one, just I want to comment again, If I don't have this ones, and just write 2, this is 2 and this is 3. This is 2. After that, how much case you have? It will print it. Right. Okay. I hope you learn. We have some words more, but the concept was clear, right? And easy. Second and the last one we have, that a switch statement can have an optional default case, which we have in if. We have in if, we have else. If this condition become false, this condition become false. Now else is 100%, right? Optional. Now in case in switch statement we have also optional, and that is default. Default, what does it mean? Default means if this condition become false, this case become false, this case become false, this will be 100% invalid what number. Now just take a look. If I write here 1, it will print me 1. If I write here 2, it will print me 2. If I write here 3, it will print me 3. But if I write like this 1001, what is 1001? It will give me invalid number. This was default case, right? Now I hope you enjoy the video and you learn something from this video. This was all about switch statement. In upcoming video we will talk about some coding exercise on switch statement. I hope you enjoy the video, my dears. If you enjoy the video, like and share with your friends, and do subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.